Okay. They're very close.
Are you taking pictures? No, take pictures. No, take videos.
I'll take your video.
That means you catch them when they come up and when they go down and when they're in the air.
Well, I seem to have missed them.
Well, that's true.
The killer whale's been killing. We've missed most of it.
I can't actually see the whale.
Where are you?
When he put his head up, there was like a piece of meat that flew.
No, I missed it.
What did they kill?
What did they kill?
Seal.
Oh! Don't cry, Heidi. Well, we've now got a long video of a seagull. Everyone else has got great videos of killer whales, but we've got seagulls that you get in Suffolk. Where are they? They're on the other side! Hold on. Everyone else got nice long videos of killer whales. I was busy filming. Oh, here they are! Okay. I was busy filming the seagulls whilst they were filming me. And they get them at home. It's just the one thing they get outside at home. Okay? Well, that's it. Did you... Hey, Heidi? How was that? Oh, hold on. Oh, it's a seagull again. Sorry? Okay. Oh, watch out! We're losing now our captain's going overboard. That's all we need.
Trying to get the piece of meat, I think.
Is it because we're hungry? He's getting the piece of... He wants to see what they're eating. Our captain's gone overboard because we're...
Over there.
Where? Oh, okay. Anyway, this is our adventure. This is me and Richard Attenborough with his little helpers. Tara and Heidi. Oh, and there's the whale, but we're into the sun. Bye!